Where's baby going? The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey that was all the fun. Up goes the weasel. Cameron, can you push it towards me? Hi, sweetos. Do you want to bring it here? Do you want to bring your zebra this way? Not really, Mommy. My goodness. You gonna back it up? Or are you gonna try to push it over that pillow? Yeah. Think you're determined to get it over the pillow, huh? What a goofy baby. You gonna dance? I wanna do holiday. Zip to the loo, my darling. Skip to the loo, my darling. Good job, sweetheart. You're fluffy. Good job, sweetie. Why don't you bring it towards me?